For the first Scratch project, you are simply going to create a sprite in the shape of a ball and change its colors and have it move about the screen. So, to get a sprite, on the bottom of your screen it'll say New Sprite. You click on the sprite and then you'll find the ball. Double click it, it'll appear on the screen. I'm going to put all my balls in different places here just to spread them across the screen. Okay, so I want to change the color, so I have 3 different colors. If I click on a sprite, you see ball 4 highlights, and then I come up here to costumes. I'm going to make this ball pink. Then I'm going to come back over here to this sprite, which is ball 2, and I'm going to go ahead and make that one green. So now I have 4 different color balls. What I'm going to do is I am going to have to give each ball or sprite a command in a script in order to make it move about the screen. So let's start with a green one. I'm going to select the green sprite. That's ball number 2. That's how you know which one you're on. And then here's the script. Now over here is a blank sheet on your screen where you can give it commands. The commands in the scripts are kind of like puzzle pieces. So you have to tell it what to do and how to do it. If it doesn't work, that means that your puzzle pieces do not fit together correctly. So I'm going to start with when spacebar is pressed, and then I'm going to go find a control. Forever, because I'm going to want it to move forever. Move the ball 10 steps, and I want it to bounce if it hits the edge. If I don't put if on edge bounce, my ball will go off the screen. So now watch, if I hit the space bar, you're going to see my ball number 2, which is the green ball, hopefully keep moving about the screen forever. And when it hits the sides of the screen, it will bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Okay, so I'm going to have to do the same thing over here to the yellow ball. Same command, again, have to give it an event. So I want this one to do the same thing. I'm basically going to have them all bounce across the screens. And then what I'm going to end up doing is I can control where they bounce, up or down, left, right. Okay, so when the space bar press, again, we're going to need a control forever move, or you could play with a different one. You can put turn 15 degrees and see what happens. And if on edge, bounce. So let's see how this one works. This one is ball 1, which is the yellow ball. It's just spinning. It's spinning. Okay, so not too much happening there. So I'm going to go back here and actually put move 10 steps, and it can spin. That's fine too. Watch this. Now, there we go. So if I want mine ball to go, let's say, different places around the screen, I'm going to change the degrees. Look how fast that is. Okay. You can control all kinds of things from here. Or you can even move the steps, more steps. Okay. And click off to the side, see if it works. Look at this one. It is moving 25 steps and turning 15 degrees. And if it hits anything, it ends up bouncing. So depending on where you start from and how you want to move it, it just kind of goes all crazy. So you're going to do the same thing to this ball and this ball. When you're done, you have created bouncing balls across your screen. And that is project 1.